So hello and welcome to my newest video today. And the topic I'm gonna talk about today is how to elevate your fit. The biggest reason why I make this video is that a fit can really elevate how you look, and what you wear really talks about how likable you are and how people would act to you. And the 5 topics I'm gonna talk about are colors and layering, accessories, hairstyle, body shape, and body posture. So let's get into it. So the first topic is color and layering, which is the most important part of your outfit because it really spices up what you wear, because there are many colors that goes together and it could really elevate how you look when you wear the colors. Like black and white is a nice combo. A top red and a pants of white really goes well, and I sometimes wear red and black outside. And really the layering puts dimension into your outfit and it makes you look bigger sometimes, and sometimes it makes you look more slimmer when you wear the bigger layer on top. But please just consider the weather and how you would layer your outfit, because if you layer too much clothes on your outfit and the weathers are like too hot, it's gonna ruin it all. And also the colors, if it's raining you should wear some dark colored shirt and pants because you don't want to get that all wet. And also the occasions, if you are eating you should wear something more dark because when it gets dirty nobody sees it. But if you're going on a light date like some amusement park, yeah, you can wear light clothes because nothing's gonna ruin it, nothing. So the biggest question for me, what do I personally recommend you to wear? So what color do I like most when it goes with the combo is black and white, which I personally wear everywhere because of the weather. And sometimes I wear beige and blue, navy blue. And really it suits me with the style that I wear, which is old money aesthetic. So moving on to the next topic, which is accessories. So basically accessories lights up what you're wearing. It could be silver rings, golden chains, whatever you could wear. But to keep in mind that jewelries and silver rings, all these things, if you overwear it, the whole outfit's gonna be ruined. And to underwear it, it doesn't really lights up the whole outfit. So really what I recommend on wearing is that you could wear rings, necklace, piercing, bracelets, or sometimes sunglasses, and which I really personally love it because of how I looks when I wear it. And I really love when I wear my sunglasses outside, and sometimes I wear necklace but not often, and rings on both hands. Sometimes I wear piercing but not very often nowadays, and sometimes bracelets, but it's not very suitable for me. So with that being said, try putting on some layers of jewelries and cool stuff on yourself. It would really brighten up what you are wearing, and it makes your hands and your bare skin more interesting when people look at it. Now, with the outside factors being covered, now we are gonna talk about your whole body, which includes hairstyles, body shape, and your postures. Now, that said, we will start with our hairstyle. So choosing a hairstyle that really suits your face will make you more majestic and beautiful, you know. And most people never take the face shape things really seriously because they just consider that the haircut they took was shitty and they just take it that they're just ugly. And really, to look at your face shape first and then consider the hairstyle will elevate how you look. Myself, I kind of have that diamond face shape, so I really cut the side off, make it more slimmer and put more volume on top, you see. Now my face really balance itself, exposing less forehead and more lighting on my middle face up here. And the hair really, it just complements my face shape, and really people should get into the topic of face shape before taking the hairstyles. So to talk about body shape, I have to give you this illustration of body types. There are 5 body types on just the same as on the screen here, and 3 of the best body shape I would recommend you gaining is that you should have rectangular body shape, upside down triangle, and trapezoids. These 3 are the best for your dressing choice. And from the right, 2 on the right is not good body type, but the factors that affects how you look on these 5 body types lies on what you eat. Is it healthy? Is it fried foods or fast food? Food with too much oil or salt? Or do you even exercise enough regularly? And your opinion on yourself and your positivity. These factors really affect on how you look mentally and physically. But have you ever even thought of dropping down and do some push-ups? Now, all jokes aside, with the last topic we're going to talk about, which is body posture. A good fit is nothing when the person who wears it has a bad posture. You wouldn't want to go around having like shin here on the front, back hunch. I advise you chin up, smile a bit. Yeah, it's more playful. Smile, chest out wide, and walk comfortably and confidently. And also, phone is a big problem here. Do not use your phones while walking. It makes you look weak and smaller because you have to hunch your back down, put your face down, and play on your phones. So please, chest out wide, chin up, and now your postures are good. So all these topics are mostly made by me because it is based on my experience, a 2 to 3 years experience in the field of fashioning. I do not work at fashioning, but I love fashion. So I do some researches on how will I be looking good when I wear my fit. Yeah, even my dad calls me handsome. Yeah, no applause. Well, at the end of the day, a fit is a fit, and you just have to feel good about it when you wear it. That's all what matters. Please leave a like and subscribe if you like my videos. Leave some comments and we'll see if your idea comes to our video next time. Peace out. Goodbye.